seeping toward their foundation. I'd rather water seep down rather than toward the foundation. Alrighty, holy mackerel. That's good. That is good. We'll go in there and rake it out. Compactor. That's good, brother. Let's take a quick meeting. It's like a daggone war zone around here. Colors. All right, so kind of got a situation on our hands here. Josh?
Dirty.
These tanks are nowhere to be found in town.
No.
Yeah, so we got a couple options. One, I'll have you come down so the homeowner can see it. Josh, one, we buy a 20-foot culvert. We cut it in half, or at 4 feet. Cut it at 4 feet. We'll actually have 4 feet left over, so we can even make this well even bigger.
Do they have caps that you can put on them?
They have caps that fit right on them. They got solid caps and perforated caps.
Yeah, will the fucking inspector guy let you do it?
He said you can do it. He's like, but it's going to cost you more. It's going to cost you more labor, and I don't know why you would do it. He's like, just take a look at that website. Just a bunch of cheese dick stuff.
Where are they from? Or how long is it going to take to get here?
Exactly. It could take 2 weeks, right? So if we have 4 feet, we could go. Excuse me. If we have 20 feet, we can go 20 divided by 4, right? Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Still have some left over. This one's going to be the catch one that catches everything.
And you got caps.
And then have 3 in there for caps for everything. But it's going to be expensive. It's going to be...
How much more than what?
2 to 3 times more.
Really?
Yeah.
And what's the cost?
But we'll keep moving today, right?
What's the original thing supposed to be, like perforated metal?
Well, let me finish this real quick. So if we're talking gallons, we only got 2 tanks, right?
Yeah.
That's let's just say, because 4 feet, I don't know, but let's just say 40 gallons. Okay, 40 is 80. 4 tanks.
As long as it's holding the same amount of fluid.
If it's holding the same amount of fluid, like what's the matter, right?
Yeah.
But we got a 6-foot fucking hole there now.
Well, you got to dig it longer, so the dirt that it was going to dig
Yeah,
out,
and we're gonna
just
have to
wider.
push it.
So that's
forward.
another option.
That's call and see how much it costs. And then
Oh,
go
I don't
from
care
there.
at this point because it's got to get done.
Well,
You know, these are 150 a piece. So 150, 150, 150, 150.
How much is the culverts then?
$1,000.
So it's 450 plus the
With
time
the
it's going
lids,
to take us
$1,000
to
with
drill
the
holes
lids.
in it, and then the time to fabricate it. So that's 450, say $600 right there.
I'm guessing at least 16 hours of labor.
160
Maybe
bucks
10.
if you go the other way, plus the lids.
Well, let's go get them then. But if we do that, so I'll have you digging the hole with that excavator,
Okay.
and then if you guys
Keep hauling dirt.
no. Not a single blowout. And that's the way, I like it. Hey Josh, I bought this off Casey.
Huh?
I bought this off Casey last night.
How much?
What he paid for it, $700.
She said $650 because it's used. Well, that feels good, fellas.
Yeah, it does.
Not that good. It's like, oh. This is all you'll see.
Yeah, because all this will be underground.
Yeah.
It'll be a sturdy ass fucking wall though.
Yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
A damn sturdy wall. Maybe Trump will call us to.
Build this wall. We'll build it, Trump.
Oh, we'll.
I can build that motherfucker.
We'll build it for you, Trump.
I can build that wall.
I like how you called him Trump. We'll build it, Trump.
That's right. I can build it. Pay us for it. What, government money? What, Trump money?
Some of that Trump money.
Just take some gold, Trump. Pay us some gold.
Josh, I'll make you famous, man. You're in all the videos.
Like the one yesterday, I'm inside the hole twisting the pipe. Big old drain you guys are putting in?
Say that again, I'm sorry.
Big old drain you guys are putting in?
Oh yeah, that's called a dry well. And so what we're gonna do is see all that water is this is all in the back, so nobody sees like the work that we're doing, you know.
All the work?
Yeah.
You hear this thing. There you go. Keep going, Alex. You're through. You're through. Say hello. Here you go.
Got the 2 pieces of rebar. Yes, sir.
See those rebar lifters?
Yeah.
Hold them elevated.
God bless you. Alrighty, after much digging out, because we were about 4 inches off, so we had to dig a lot, but finally got her. So this will be the end of the pavers. Just like yet.
I don't want to carry him that far. I'm stealing the bucket.
Charlie, taking Charlie.
Yeah. 100 pounds is a lot to carry far. I'm back and forth.
All right. So we got Mr. Gabriel here putting in the steel edging, which is absolutely unaffordable these days due to good old Joe Biden, Joe Pussy Biden. She's coming along.